So how do you access the Apple Watch but from the iPhone? Let me show you how it works and all of the things you should know about it. If you're new here on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because there are so many tutorials and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, there are more ways to do it. Like if you want to change and access the settings and all of the, watch faces and everything, just go to the watch app on your iPhone. You can literally look it up like that, or it's going to be part of the app library, so you'll be able to find it in there. So as I said, you'll be able to see the watch faces and all of the settings that you can tweak and like apps and everything, right? But if you want to access the Apple Watch, meaning that you actually like control, tap around and use it from the iPhone, you can use it by going to the settings, tapping on accessibility, and part of the options here is going to be the Apple Watch mirroring. So you can enable it like that. It might take a while to load up, but this just means that you'll be able to just open it, like that. Just go through your Apple Watch. As you can see, it just gets mirrored exactly to the iPhone. So all of the things which show up on the watch will be available on the iPhone. And you can actually click around, like even press the buttons here on the side of the watch by clicking on it, right? So yeah, if you wanted to, that's how you can access it. So yeah, this is most likely the thing that you wanted to achieve. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to let me know about that. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.